Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to clean this AC filter. It's very important to clean your AC filter at least twice a year. It depends on your use. If you clean your AC filter, it will improve this air quality and also long life of your AC unit. So I recommend you please clean your AC unit at least twice a year. So I will show you how to remove this AC filter. Before you remove the AC filter, you have to make sure this turn off your AC unit and also unplug your AC unit. Usually AC filter is located in the front side. It's very careful if you look at it, and you can just pull out. This is the filter, this come out, you see this? Very carefully remove this AC filter. Yeah, is that. And you see this lot of dust inside this AC filter, but it's not too much because of I clean usually so often. Now I will show you how to clean this filter. Now I will show you how to clean this AC filter. First of all, you need to you see this, I'm showing you. You see this? You need a small toothbrush. It's helpful for you for cleaning this. And use this cold water. Using this liquid soap, just make sure this clean properly. You see this? I clean this filter with cold water and soap. Now I will replace this filter in AC unit. Make sure it is dry, completely dry, and then put in a bag this filter in the AC unit. That's it.